So some of the things I need help with is, um, how can we make it to where the logo just sticks like in the beginning and then at the end, and then um, the system automatically puts in commas and periods, and they don't line up. Like if you, I have to delete them all, and then how do I get the emojis or the icons, whatever, to show up bigger and be not so close? How can we do that? And then boost AI hook title, clean audio. Yeah, so that stuff I'll work on. But that's what's bugging me about. This, you guys are really grown. It's really great. But and then also the commercials that I see on Facebook showing stuff being done. I would love to have videos at that level. Is there a place that we can go to where I can show my guys, hey, follow these steps to create the videos that they advertise? Thanks.